Hey, and welcome to section 6. This is going to be the last section of this voluntary training video. And we'll be covering 5 reasons why people love to work with Pristine Made. Number 1 is that we're very flexible. You can work anywhere from 1 day to 6 days out of the week, depending on how much money you want to make. Our top people, they definitely work 5 days out of the week, and they definitely get first dibs to it. But if you wanted to, do a clean here and there, like a deep clean and not getting any recurring clients, you could definitely do so to pick up some money from time to time. But most of our cleaners definitely are full time. Second is we pay very, very good. Anywhere from $25 to $35 per hour is how it breaks down, with the flat rate that you get for each house. But definitely anywhere from $25 to $35 per hour is what you could get towards your hourly. We give you the tools to succeed. So we have a list of supplies. Everything's pretty much broken down for people to understand. We're very, very respondent to any questions that you may have. And we're definitely here for you to help you succeed. And we're on time with all our payments. Same day of the week. Say, for example, we definitely went over the pay schedule. You get paid that same week for the work that you put in that same week. You're not waiting a whole 2 weeks for the money. And also, our bonus system. People love to work with us because of our bonus system. We have a 3-tier bonus system. It's given out twice a month, and the 3 tiers. The first one is $100. The second one is $50, and then the third one is $25. These go out to all of the top 3 contractors for a group of 7 maximum. So this will be like be a group of 7, and then once we grow past that, another group of 7 will be evaluated every year or every quarter. We'll switch it around to different groups just to keep everybody on their toes. But basically the things that would be, it's by 5 criteria. These 5 criteria are how many 5-star reviews you get within that 2-week time period, and whether you've got any Google reviews to go with your name on Google, how many before and after photos that you upload, as well as no late arrivals, and cleaning the homes in the allotted time that you have set aside. So number 1, how many 5-star reviews you get. The client has the option of giving you 5-star reviews through the app. If you get a lot of 5-star reviews, or even ask them if they're satisfied with the job, if they are very happy with the job, go ahead and leave you a 5-star review. That's a decent idea to, make sure they're happy and make sure that you are getting your points towards the end goal of winning that first, second, or third prize for that 2-week time span. So Google reviews, if you get 1 Google review, like, I might just end up making that an extra, $25 on top of whatever you get. But we really love Google reviews. Before and after photos, having a lot of before and after photos coming in is great. We need those. And it also protects you to make sure that the client knows that you have completed your job and you've shown proof of it. No late arrivals. So if your arrival window is 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., you're not arriving at 10:01 a.m. That's not a good idea. Clean homes in allotted time. So if a home says it's going to take 3 hours and 15 minutes to do, and you're by yourself and you take 3 hours and 15 minutes to do, that's perfect. Anything above 3:15 is not perfect, and we would need to work on your time. But this is definitely preliminary. These 5 things can definitely may be the same, but they're definitely subject to change past this video, since it was recorded at a certain point in time. But Referring friends to us to work with us, you get an automatic $100. So you don't have to wait for them to stay for 3 months for you to get that $100. You get it instantly, that $100 for referring a good friend. Um, Now, only refer good friends that you think are gonna, speak well on your name and do a good job, because we don't want to just be hiring anybody off the street. Um, Not like that, but hiring anybody and not knowing that you can vouch for them or their quality of work. So yeah, 5 reasons, and also referring friends to us to work. You definitely get $100 instantly. If they're doing a good job, even better.